Hello! Welcome back to my channel, at Made by April. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a ripped jeans back pocket. It's a simple process that can save you money and extend the life of your favorite jeans. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to do it. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. A needle and thread. Use a thread that matches the color of your jeans for a seamless look. You'll also need a pair of scissors, iron, and an iron-on interfacing. Now, let's sew. You can sew by hand or use a sewing machine if you prefer. Once you're done sewing, check the back to make sure everything is secure. Trim any excess threads for a cleaner look. Use an iron-on interfacing. This will give strength to your fabric without adding weight or reducing tactility. Press the area lightly with an iron to help seal the glue. And there you have it. Your jeans are now ready to wear, and the pocket is good as new. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tips. Let me know in the comments if you've ever repaired your jeans and what techniques worked for you. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Goodbye.